Number 10. Fossil Grant Chronograph. This watch looks like it belongs in a luxury catalog, but it costs less than $102.05. Brown leather strap, polished stainless steel case, and cream-colored dial with chronograph subdials make it elegant and versatile. Roman numerals add a classic touch, while the three-hand movement keeps it precise. Perfect for work, casual dates, or weekend style. It's a gift that says, "I noticed your taste." Number 9. Seiko 5 Automatic. Seiko 5 is legendary, around $256. Automatic movement with day/date display, black dial with luminous hands, and a brushed stainless steel bracelet make it both functional and stylish. Its subtle, military-inspired look gives it a rugged charm, perfect for men who want a watch that's reliable, understated, and versatile. Number 8. Casio Edifice Stainless Steel, a sporty, techie watch for about $120. Stainless steel case and bracelet with a deep blue dial and chronograph subdials make it bold yet refined. Water-resistant up to 100 meters with stopwatch functionality and date display. Ideal for a man who wants sporty elegance with practical features. Number 7. Timex Marlin Automatic. Vintage vibes meet modern quality at around $124.95. Silver dial, domed acrylic crystal, and genuine brown leather strap give it classic sophistication. Hand-wound automatic movement with visible smooth sweep of the seconds hand adds charm, perfect for the man who loves understated elegance and retro-inspired design. Number 6. Citizen Eco Drive Chandler. Citizen's Eco Drive is solar-powered, no battery ever needed. Around $232.64. Black dial with luminous hands and markers, durable olive green canvas strap, and stainless steel case. Eco-friendly technology combined with military-inspired design makes it casual, stylish, and functional for everyday adventures. Number 5. Orient Bambino. Orient Bambino, priced around $229.30, looks like a luxury watch without the high cost. Automatic Japanese movement, domed mineral crystal, and classic white dial with minimalist indices. Elegant brown leather strap completes the refined look, perfect for date nights, business meetings, or special occasions. Number 4. Invicta Pro Diver. Inspired by luxury dive watches, under $47.77. Black dial with luminous hands, unidirectional bezel, stainless steel bracelet, and water resistance up to 200 meters. Automatic movement with exhibition case back adds flair. Bold, sporty, and adventure-ready. A statement piece for the man who loves the outdoors. Number 3. MVMT Classic Series. The MVMT Classic Series isn't just for men. Its minimalist design works perfectly for any wrist. With a sleek black dial, thin black mesh strap, and polished silver case, it's subtle yet stylish. Around $116.05, it fits casual outfits, workdays, or even date nights. A versatile watch that can be worn by both men and women who love clean, modern design. Number 2. Bulova Classic Quartz. Bulova Classic Quartz is elegant and timeless, and the simple, refined style suits both men and women. Silver dial, black leather strap, and slim baton markers make it adaptable for any wardrobe. About $305. It's accurate, understated, and effortlessly classy. Perfect for office, dinner, or formal events. A gift that works for anyone who values sophistication. Number 1. Casio Edifice Solar Chronograph. This Casio Edifice Solar Chronograph is bold, functional, and designed in a size and style that fits both men and women. Blue dial with multi-function chronograph, solar-powered movement, and silver stainless steel bracelet make it durable and practical. Around $115, it's sporty, stylish, and high-tech. A watch anyone can rock with confidence, whether for work, casual outings, or special occasions. Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more gift guides and style tips.